On a warm and sunny morning, little Rabbit Ruby and her friends were playing in the forest. That day, the birds in the forest sang especially sweetly, making the whole world seem more vibrant. However, just as Ruby was about to chase a falling leaf with her little companions, she heard a soft sobbing sound. Following the sound, Ruby found a little bird sitting next to an old nest that had been blown over by the wind, its eyes filled with tears. The little bird told Ruby that its home had been destroyed by last night's storm, and now it was homeless. Feeling compassionate, Ruby decided to help the little bird find a new home. She first gathered her friends in the forest and told them about the bird's predicament, and everyone was willing to lend a hand. So, little squirrel Sam suggested using his nuts to repair the nest, while Fawn Lily proposed using the soft ferns she had found deep in the woods to line the bottom of the nest. Everyone worked together diligently throughout the morning and finally built a new nest for the little bird. This new home was larger and more comfortable than the previous one, built high up in a tall oak tree, so the bird and its family would no longer be washed away by water. The little bird's face lit up with a bright smile as it gratefully looked at Ruby and her friends. It told everyone how lucky it was to have friends like them. That night, the little bird nestled in its new nest and fell asleep peacefully, dreaming of soaring freely in the blue sky, while on the ground, little Rabbit Ruby and her friends played together, watching over the entire forest. That night, Ruby also peacefully drifted into dreams, knowing that in this shared home, everyone helped each other and cared for one another, allowing all the forest residents to enter sweet dreams filled with joy and hope. Good night, little Rabbit Ruby.